Hey y'all, today we're going to talk about the auxiliary verbs again. Remember last time we had three, the verb, and we had auxiliary, transitive, and intransitive. We're putting the transitive and intransitive over here until another day. We had the auxiliary verb, and it was divided into how many verbs? 4. And we went over these two the other day. And then we have ser and estar. We're going to look at those two today. What does ser and estar mean?
To be.
To be, that's right. So we've got, we'll have ser, and I'll flatten that out like this. Ser is used as a true auxiliary when it forms the passive tense. And estar, I'll make like this. Estar is an auxiliary when it forms the progressive tenses. That's our ing verbs. As in, I'm writing, estoy escribiendo, and he was writing, estaba escribiendo. So the difficulty in the employment of ser and estar is by some unduly magnified. Okay, so you may hear a whole lot about ser and estar and the differences and uses of it, but others give the following rule. Ser denotes a permanent state, generally, okay? And estar is temporary. So if we think of something like where you're from, it's going to be ser. If we think about what you're doing right now, it's estar. So this rule should not be adopted because it would not apply, as the following two examples will show. Él is because, watch, él es soldado porque se ha alistado por 2 años. He is a soldier as he has enlisted for 2 years. So he is a soldier. Aquellos montes están enteramente cubiertos de nieve, which we learned was snow. Those mountains are perpetually covered with snow. The following simple and true rules will enable you guys to understand the difference between ser and estar and to apply them correctly. So let's first look at ser. We use this to form the passive voice. Well, what is that? Let's look at an example. The postman brought the letters. El cartero trajo las cartas. La carta fue traída por el cartero. So this passive. The letter was brought by the postman. Does that make sense? It's passive. Okay. The past participle following ser and estar agrees in gender and number with the subject of these verbs. So it's matchy-matchy. Este cuarto es barrido todos los días. This room is swept every day. It's passive voice because we speak of the action of sweeping. Somebody sweeps the room every day. And este cuarto está barrido, no voice, as barrido is used as an adjective to denote the state or condition. So second ser is to note an inherent quality, as la nieve es blanca, snow is white, right? El hombre es mortal, man is mortal. Those are better examples than like, where is he from? You know, something, a permanent state, because that can change. So this gives you it's an inherent quality. Footnote, inherence, a fixed state of being in another body. A quality may be inherent for the time being, as Juan se ha alistado por 2 años, entonces es soldado. Juan has enlisted for 2 years, then he is a soldier. So we're going to move on. Those are 2 ways to remember ser. These are 2 ways to remember estar, okay? And how to use to be in certain Spanish. State and locality, to be in a place. Have y'all heard that about when you buy a house? Location, location, location. So this is about your estar here. Estoy aquí. I'm here. Londres está en Inglaterra. London is located in England. So secondly, as a condition, as estoy cansado, I'm tired, and está enfermo, he is ill. So these are your locality and condition. There are more, but those are just 2 solid ones for each auxiliary verb, okay? So we'll see y'all later.